In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable testnet mode on your Phantom Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, what we want to do is open up our Phantom Wallet and log in. Once you have logged in, you want to click onto your profile, which is located on the top left-hand corner. So it will say account 1 or account 2. Click onto that. And then we want to click onto the gear icon top right-hand corner of this page. Now from here, we need to navigate to the bottom of the page and click into where it says developer settings. So now we're inside developer settings. And then on the first option here, it will say testnet mode applies to balances and app connections. So go ahead and toggle that on. So once you enable it, you'll see Solana and Ethereum under that. If you want to turn Solana testnet on, just simply click onto it and then click Solana testnet. And if we click into Ethereum, we've got a few different options here. So we can use base, Sepolia, or Polygon Amoni. So you can choose either one of them.